Welcome to Switch It Up. This is the intro to start 2023.
Crazy.
It is absolutely crazy.
We're getting ready to start year 3.
Yes, we are. We came up with our mission statement this year.
We are. Okay.
I know, but there's a lot of new people. So these are the 3 words that are going to be what we're focusing on there. We're just a group of people out here trying to basically inspire others, create community, and impact the world. Seems pretty logical.
Had to put it on a sign so he could remember it.
I like the 3 words.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without ever wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again.
This is payback for her life.
I'm gonna find new friends.
Spend less time in your head.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
It's bad. It's pretty bad.
Oh my gosh, you better turn the camera off
it's
because
bad.
I'm about to let you have it.
It's bad.
You told me you got this truck dirty and I was going to get to see a moose. Now you turn this car around.
This is
Get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Go that way.
We are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden, you will grow to be tall, staring out over miles of land without ever wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again.
Again, it's not about Todd and Sheila. It is about all of us, a movement of people. And inspiring others and impacting the world. As we disperse and go out of our way to finish out the year, we're gonna miss you. We're gonna regroup, we're gonna retool, refreshen up, get ready, because go big or go home, that's coming. Next year is gonna be a big year for all of us. So we'll see you soon.
We love you guys!